Everyone's making cake this way after this genius idea. In a bowl, we'll add a cup of eggs, then a cup of sugar, half cup of butter or margarine, and mix well. It'll look like this. Now let's add a cup of milk and mix again. Add a cup of 50% chocolate. Let's mix again. This is the ideal consistency. Now add 2 cups of flour, then a teaspoon of yeast and mix slowly. Pour into a greased floured pan. I'll bake in the air fryer at 160 degrees C for 30 minutes. You can use an oven too, it's your choice. Look how amazing this cake turns out. Now loosen the sides, flip onto a plate and enjoy. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks.